Just a quick video. You can see our pool level is right up. Now, this happened last time we had a fair bit of rain. We actually had over 1 inch of rain last time. And sitting in the corner is we've actually had nearly 2 inches of rain last night. So I only keep the rain gauge for a bit of fun, find out how much rain we've actually had, but the pool should empty within or go down to the correct level within a few hours, and you can see it's not done that. So I'm going to show you how to drain some water out of the pool. So the pool is now operating normally. We hit the off button, shuts the pump down. Now, the lead to the pump comes in to the bottom of the SWC box. So we pull that plug out, a bit hard one-handed, and we plug it straight into the power point. Right, so that's step one. What we're doing is taking the chlorinator out of the system, because if you run the pump with no water going through the chlorinator, the SWC box will cut the pump off as a safety feature. So the next thing we do is change our tap around. Now, if I come back a little bit, you'll see the valve there at the output of the pump. So it's currently facing with the handle towards the house. So you press that down. Oh, can I get that in the right spot? So you press the back of it down, and we turn that around so that the handle faces towards the pool. So now the pump will pump, instead of going, the water will come out of the pump, instead of going that way and through the filter and back into the pool, it will then go through this side here, which is your waste outlet. Okay, now we then just turn the pump back on again. Now the trundle will continue to work. He'll keep on doing his cleaning thing on the bottom of the pool. The water will suck through. There'll be no water at all going through the chlorinator, and all the water will go straight out it actually goes all the way out to the road. So you'll actually hear it in the downpipe. It joins to the bottom of the downpipe. You can actually hear it in this downpipe here to the left. And you just let that run for a few minutes until it'll take probably half an hour for it to take 1 inch or so out of the top of the pool. Actually, the pool looks good today. So I think I said on the previous video that it would take about half an hour to get the water down to the right level. Well, I lied. It's only taken about 10 minutes. But you can see I think you can see the existing, you can see the dirt line where the water was to where it's come back down to. So it's close enough to where we want the water level. So go back out to the pump. Turn the pump off. Reset the valve. You can probably hear the water gurgling in the background there. So it comes back around so that the handle is facing towards the house. And then we unplug the pool pump and plug it back into our SWC box and turn it all back on again. And you'll get a bit of air flowing through the chlorinator. which is normal, and trundle gets back to work. That's all there is to it.